I'm having my favorite go-to oatmeal for breakfast. I'm up to almost about a cup of cauliflower in here and still don't even taste it. So today, just hanging out, going to the gym later, just a normal starchy Shauna day around here. And no makeup today. I can't believe my 20-year-old self looking at my 54-year-old self. She never would have thought I'd be on YouTube talking to you all with absolutely no makeup on. This is pretty much every day. Keeping it real. Gonna have breakfast and then I'll see you later on. I have a confession to make. So, I'm not a meal prepper. I don't prep my vegetables ahead of time, and I really want to. So today I thought I'd do like a little mini meal prep and take you all along. I've been buying these bags. They're little bags, you guys. These bags of eggplant, zucchini, red onions, and summer squash and tomatoes mixed up. So they're already pre-cut. And they put them in this bag and they sell it for $7. I don't know if I came out less expensive buying all the vegetables separately, but I'm pretty sure I did. So I thought I can do this at home. I can cut my own vegetables. I have the energy. Let's just get to it. Come on, Shauna, you can cut your veggies. So I bought all of these and I'm going to prep them and we'll see how it goes. And it'll be fun just to have it in my fridge, what I cut up, ready to go. I wonder how long it'll take. Let me time it. It's 12:30 exactly right now. So I'll tell you when I'm done what time it is. So here are all my veggies washed and ready to go. The eggplant, zucchini, tomatoes, and one red onion. So I'll get to chopping those. I cut the zucchini into quarters here. Those seem to be a really nice size for cooking about 22 minutes in the oven. And the eggplant, I just kind of eyeball. Like I don't want the chunks too big, but not too small. And here we go, a whole bowl of veggies. So yummy and so worth it. It is 12:48. So 12:48, 30, 48, 18 minutes. And even Starchy Husband called in between there, you guys. So 18 minutes, probably minus a minute or two. 18, so probably 15 to 20 minutes for these two big bowls of veggies. Loving it. And this is way more that I get in those little bags at the grocery store. So this was super worth it. And then these I'm just going to cook up right now. I can eat them for lunch with some tofu cubes. I have those in the fridge along with some rice. So sounds like lunch today. I'm going to have these mixed veggies. And actually, this is enough that I'll have leftovers. And I always love having cooked leftover veggies that I love in the fridge. So that's my little mini meal prep. All right, I guess I can do it. Yay! All right, the veggies I just prepped are all ready to go. Does that really count as pre-prepping if you cook them the same time? I don't know, but at least one batch is in the fridge. So here are these, all ready to go in the oven. And these are the seasonings I use. This is the umami one I was telling you about. Umami blend. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And it has a little spice in there. I don't know. An Italian seasoning, this Kirkland organic no salt, and then I used my tried and true garlic salt. And those are about to go in the oven. Yum, yum. The veggies turned out so good, you guys. I think I really like the seasoning blends I used. So we'll see. I'll have a lot of leftover because I'm about to go to the gym and I'm not that hungry, but I wanted to get a little something in my stomach before I go to the gym. So I did my 50-50 plate. real nice for you all because I really mix everything together. But I have the veggies on one side, the rice, and a little bit of tofu on the other side. So I'll eat this up, go to the gym with Starchy Husband. We have an errand to run after that, and then I'll be home and get things set and going for dinner. I've really been enjoying using my body weight in the gym and also at home. And then these TRX bands, you guys, I am loving them. Just started using them. I usually use dumbbells. I'm back from the gym and I'm ready to eat again. So I'm having a whole bunch of those leftover veggies I cooked earlier. I made a baked potato, just popped it in the microwave for 4 minutes. It's super soft. That's my favorite way to eat a potato. And then I made some white bean dip with uh, with cannellini beans, tofu, seasonings. It's super good. I'll put a recipe out for it at a later time. But right now, this is what I'm going to eat for nourishment after the gym. Yum. Just wanted to show you guys. And did it in my little 50-50 plate. So perfect Starch Solution meal. Back from walking the dogs, and it is hot out there, you guys. I'm sweating. So my little fruits sorbet is going to be the perfect treat. So yummy. This is just basically fruit and water, as you guys may already know, but it's so refreshing and it tastes so good. So that's it for me for eating for the day. I'm going to finish this off and then I'll be done. A full yummy day of eating. I'll see you next time.